literal to the extent of him wanting me to pay him $5. Put our stuff in the locker.
All right, you guys know what's up.
I was saying welcome friends. Welcome to Colorado River Rapids.
The most dreaded ride in all of Walt Disney World.
And it's our first time riding it. And your first time.
As weird as it sounds, being a huge Disney family, that one right there hates getting wet. And so the fact that we're getting on Kali as a personal favor to this one, we figured that we would video it and chronicle it. And so Denise and I are getting on Kali together. I haven't been on Kali since Animal Kingdom opened. I think we came the first or second year it was open with my dad and stepmom, and we rode it. And I think that's the last time that I've ridden Kali also. The kids have ridden since then, but we usually just stand over to the side and hang out. But this is our go at it.
I've not been on a raft style ride like this since Dollywood. So
that's right, we went on Dollywood and she got stuck under one of the water features, and Cambry was 2, and so that kind of lets you know.
Wet, and that's why I swore never again.
And she said never again. And so this is going to involve a wardrobe change. You're going to see that we came prepared. We're going to look like those people. But today we are those people, and so we'll let you know how this goes. But come along, ride with us, join with us. I think either way,
people down there too.
Either way, it's going to be a whole lot of fun. That's right. There are people on that raft that are those people too, so we can all be those people.
I see other people wearing their ponchos and their rain jackets. I can do that too.
That's right.
No, I want you to get stuck.
Full wardrobe change coming ahead.
Very long.
What's your favorite part about it?
Keep getting wet. And there's also a huge drop, and by the way, you do not get out.
So you can't get out? You can't dive out? You can't roll out of the boat? How many drops are there?
Why?
I need to know so I can be prepared.
I don't know. About like 4, and then there's one humongous drop that at first you think you're safe, and then you think the ride malfunctions, and then you go straight down after you realize it, and then after that you get soaking wet.
So, are there any waterfalls that we go under?
Yes. There's one squirting people.
There's one what?
There's one squirting person.
Are there people that squirt you or things that squirt you when you go by it?
Not really.
And nobody stands on the bridge like just told you didn't come down?
No.
Pretty sure.
I know that's a lie because we did that to you last time you rode. Guys, this just got real. Just got real.
That stick doesn't extend, right?
It doesn't. Nope.
Perfect. You can keep that out.
You're good. You just want to sit by me. Well, never mind.
Alright guys, so seatbelt drop. Thanks, nice and tight, guys. See everyone.
No.
Oh, but now you have to wait for it to splash. It's too long.
Promise I can't get my dust ready. There we go.
Here we go.
I don't think this is a real drop.
Really hot in this too. Really don't want to get wet.
You're still getting wet.
This would talk me into it.
nice and gentle for the last time.
It won't be gentle forever. It's about to get real.
Oh man. I just don't want to be going backwards through this part. Like, I'll let you guys get wet.
Maybe she put you guys in the way because you guys got the poncho.
This is reminding me of liquor rap.
Oh man.
Wait, no. Now we're not going to get real wet.
That's a good thing.
Oh, look at that drop. Wait, you might get some. This is the drop part. Oh yeah, this is the big drop, I think.
It is, and I'm gonna be going backwards. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Stop turning! Stop turning! Stop turning! No! 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 It didn't matter where we sat. It really didn't. It really didn't. Oh. And some more. I really should have put my wallet in my bag. I know. Just, yeah.
I'm not that wet. Don't touch it, it hurts. My clothes are good.
I just hope the people up there are kind today. I don't want to get hosed down from them. If we don't get stopped, we'll be okay.
Oh yeah, because you stop and then you squirt.
Yep, and they can squirt you. All right, here we go.
Welcome back, my friend. These are all.
Oh, they're up there. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Hey, it's over.
I hope you're happy.
Oh, we're happy. Again. We're happy. Let's do it again. I'm not that wet.
I'm damp. A little damp.
Everyone, get ready.
Oh,
Oh, it's bigger. It's a bigger bump for them.
all right. Everybody get nice and wet.
No.
Yeah,
I put the shoes on that wet.
That's good for you.
that's good.
Now do you want to go swimming?
That's what bathing suits are for.
Yeah, we did.
Doesn't mean we stay dry. I mean, we're still a little wet.
You guys need to undo those seatbelts. Watch your step coming off. Straight back to that yellow line.
It helps. I mean, some.
Friends, watch your step. Watch your step all the way down. Hi, Fred.
All right, so Kali River Rapids, right? There's a reason that it's our least favorite ride in all of Disney World, but there's also a reason that the kids love to get mom and dad on it. And so if you're here, I mean, you may as well, right? I mean, you may as well go ahead and do it. But for us, from here forward on the vlog, you're probably gonna only see the kids on it. I'm just gonna hand them the camera and say, go for it. So I hope you enjoyed riding along with us. This is Tommy within a Disney State of Mind, and I hope you guys keep having a magical day. Bye, guys. because we couldn't come to Animal Kingdom and only ride Kali River Rapids, we decided that we'd stop by Everest real quick and have us a little fun that we actually want to ride before we get out of here. All right, let's go. At the end.
Yep, that's the worst.
Just wanted to mention a little bit about the park today. I know that we just kind of popped in to do a couple of quick things and we're going to leave. We have an event that we're going to head over to tonight, so we weren't going to hang around very long, but the park is like crazy empty today. We're looking at like literally Kilimanjaro Safaris is a posted 5-minute wait. You know that when that happens, there's no one here. We're around a flood of people right now, if you see any walking around me, and that's just because Finding Nemo, The Big Blue and Beyond just released, and so everybody's kind of over on this side of the park. But we waited, I think it was like 15 minutes for Kali, and then we walked on Everest twice, and now we're heading over to Dinosaur, and it's a posted 10-minute wait, and then we're gonna head out, go back to the room and get cleaned up for our event tonight. That we do see attendance fluctuating quite a bit now, whereas before it was just steady high all the time. And so this may be a sign that a lot of that revenge travel is kind of starting to subside, but I do think that we're going to start seeing more international travel since those bans are beginning to be lifted also. And so we'll just have to kind of keep up with things and see how they go as far as attendance, but just wanted to give you a quick update on that.